How to fix Facebook Messenger easily and fast. If you have any problem with the Messenger in your phone, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. First thing guys, what you wanna do is go to the settings and open the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, go to the Facebook Messenger right here and then click on force stop. After that, click on the storage, click on clear cache and clear data. Go back and then click on the data usage right here. Now make sure to enable all these options. After that, go back to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 5 seconds and then disable it. After that, turn off your phone and turn it on again and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.